If you need to reopen a closed PayPal account, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information handy before you begin. Step 1. Visit the PayPal website. Go to the official PayPal website and log in using your credentials. If your account is closed, you may need to click on the Help section to find the option for account recovery. Step 2. Access customer support. Look for the Contact Us or Help section on the website. You will find options to reach out to customer support via chat, email, or phone. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 3. Explain your situation. When you connect with customer support, clearly explain that you want to reopen your closed account. Provide any necessary details, such as your email address associated with the account and the reason for closure if applicable. Step 4. Follow instructions. PayPal's customer support will provide you with specific instructions to follow. This may include verifying your identity or confirming your account details. Make sure to complete any required steps promptly. Step 5. Confirm account reopening. Once you have followed the instructions, wait for confirmation from PayPal regarding the reopening of your account. You should receive an email or notification once your account is active again. After completing these steps, you should have access to your PayPal account once more. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.